CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 8 How do organisms reproduce? Part 4a. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color. Write about human sperms. The sperms are tiny bodies that consist of mainly genetic material and a long tail that helps them to move towards the female germ cell. Which are the human female reproductive organs? State their roles. The female germ cells or eggs are made in the ovaries. They are also responsible for the production of some hormones. The hormones, like estrogens, state the distinctly different biological features of ovaries of human females. When a girl child is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. On reaching puberty, some of these start maturing. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. How an egg is carried in human females. The egg is carried from the ovary to the womb through a thin oviduct or fallopian tube. The two oviducts unite into an elastic bag-like structure known as the uterus. You can see here the ovaries, and the egg is released, and now it is inside the fallopian tube. Started the journey. What is cervix of human females? The uterus of human females opens into the vagina through the cervix. How a sperm may meet an egg. The sperms enter through the vaginal passage during sexual intercourse. They travel upwards and reach the oviduct, where they may encounter the egg. You can see the diagram here. The sperms are shown inside, and then it moves up to the oviduct where the egg is written. What is a zygote and where it is formed? The fertilized egg is called the zygote. Meeting of sperm and egg happens in oviduct, and it slides down towards uterus, gets implanted in the lining of the uterus, and starts dividing. How uterus prepares itself for its role in the development of a child. Mother's body is designed to undertake the development of the child. Hence, the uterus prepares itself every month to receive and nurture the growing embryo. The lining thickens and is richly supplied with blood to nourish the growing embryo. What is placenta, and state its role? The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's body with the help of special tissue called placenta. This is a disc which is embedded in the uterine wall. It contains the villi on the embryo's side of the tissue. On the mother's side are blood spaces which surround the villi. This provides a large surface area for glucose and oxygen to pass from the mother to the embryo. The developing embryo will also generate waste substances which can be removed by transferring them into the mother's blood through the placenta. You can see the pictures of placenta over here. What is gestation period? How normally a child is born. Gestation period, the total time period a child is being carried in the womb between conception and birth. The development of the child inside the mother's body takes approximately 9 months. The child is born normally as a result of the rhythmic contractions of the muscles in the uterus. The childbirth is also called parturition. The hormone oxytocin released by the pituitary gland causes increased contraction of the womb during the childbirth. Here is the end of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. It's in green color, the email is given here. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video. The question answers of this chapter, how do organisms reproduce, will be continued in the next video.